Hey guys, Casey here, Lions Den Investments and Reviews. I'm outside here at the Theta Oasis, which would be basically my backyard. Got the pool, got the water jets going right now. I'm just kind of enjoying the nice weather before we get into this heat wave. But today I wanted to just briefly talk about the markets overall, especially with Bitcoin. Because a lot of you guys that are invested in like Theta and tfuel, for instance, and some of these other altcoin projects are, looking for some decent profits over the coming weeks, especially because we took a huge crash in Bitcoin over the past 2 months. So everybody's expecting the prices to go up, right? And Bitcoin being the dominant, token in the crypto market, if it goes up, your alt projects, the altcoins, and Ethereum, they go up with it. When Bitcoin gets crashed down and smashed by these short positions, the same happens with the rest of your investments. So just to kind of give you guys a fair warning here, real quick, I was looking at some charts earlier today on TradingView, and what's possibly coming here over the next, I'd say, like few days, maybe a week, is if you look at the Bitcoin USD short charts, right, on like Bitfinex, for instance, the 1 week chart has a 2,200% increase in short positions right now. And if you check the longs, which would be the people that are going to, expecting Bitcoin to go up, the longs are twice the amount. So they're right there at about 4,400%. Now, one or two things are going to happen here. Either bears make a lot of money because Bitcoin's going to go down drastically in price. Either that, and if that's the case, bears going to just eat everybody's lunch. But if it goes up, and let's say Bitcoin goes from like 36,000 and we can get past 40, it would be the largest short squeeze in Bitcoin history. Okay. Now, rumor has it right now, and this is just opinion from a lot of traders, that when there's too many people on one side of the trade, they're saying basically it's always better to be on the opposite side of that trade. Okay, the opposite side. So right now, if you look at the shorts versus the longs, there's more people on the long side of Bitcoin rather than the short side. So a lot of the traders, a lot of the smart money is taking the opposite side of that bet, which is that Bitcoin's going to come down, and they're shorting it through these short positions. So the reason why I'm saying that again, guys, is because if you're invested in tfuel or Theta, for instance, we've got the mainnet 3.0 coming out here June 30th. All right, and there's a lot of hype behind that, and a lot of people expecting the prices to go up. I am too. But what I'm saying is, don't be surprised if that is delayed because Bitcoin gets slammed back down again, okay? In situations like this, especially in markets like this is definitely a different bull run than the previous one that we had and the one before that in 2013. So one thing you need to take into consideration is all the manipulation is taking place this time, and don't fall into trying to chase the prices or trying to predict where they're at right now. It's just way too volatile. There's too much manipulation, too many people taking one side of the trade or the other, and you don't want to get stuck in the midst of all that. And that's why I keep saying, if you're in tokens or projects like Cardano, Theta, Polkodot, just invest and wait to see where the prices go. If they short it and it crashes, just add to your positions. But even better, go ahead and stake your tokens and start earning passive income, okay? Because then you can dollar cost average in at any price. It allows you to sleep much better at night, and you're not chasing the price or getting losing sleep because you're losing money. At that point, you really don't care. So just keep that in mind. And that's really all I wanted to share with you guys today was what I'm seeing on the short positions versus the long positions on Bitcoin, and just give you a heads up that that might be a possibility that Bitcoin comes down. Now, if you look at the charts on Bitcoin right now, we're sitting around like 36,000. We have a bottom at about 30,000. So I would expect, if we don't set a higher low on Bitcoin over the next couple days, and that higher low is not above 33,000, okay? If that higher low does not settle above 33,000, we're gonna drop lower. We could hit that $30,000 mark. And with the large amount of increase in short positions versus the longs, we could potentially get Bitcoin dropping below 30,000. So don't panic. And like I say, as usual, you know, these markets are volatile, and without volatility, guys, you can't get any high rewards, okay? So embrace volatility. It's actually a good thing. Yeah, like I always say, fear nothing, okay? And you either want to go ahead and add to your positions or stake it to make it, okay? That's all I've got for today's video. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And with that said, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. And I will catch you guys here next week.